Shoot, man, hold my beer and watch this. This is Aunt Lola. My doctor said I've cut down to 6 packs a day. Keep the same phone you have with our new cell plans. Hold it right there, partner. I don't think you're talking my language. Mr. Krabs, I would like a Krabby Patty with cheese. Now let me see how big of a boy are you, 'cause you're just ripe for a butt kicking. Like Zoink Scoobs, this place is creepy. Yeah, creepy. Call today for your free quote on car insurance. Try the all-new McRib sandwich and let some of that sweet barbecue sauce run down your chin. When you works hard like me, you need your spinach. You're listening to K105. Bobby, if you throw the baseball at that fence one more time, I'm gonna whoop your butt. I saw this guy in a convenience store and I asked him, which cell service provider do you use? Prior authorization is not a guarantee of payment. Payment is subject to eligibility, physician participation. I've got one glass eye, and I'll come over there and knock yours out. Hey dude, if you have any more questions, just ask. That's gnarly. Carl Mazur, voiceover demo.